Hey guys, it's SJ and I'm back with a box, and today we're looking at the women's Air Jordan 1 Court Lux. Let's get to it. Hey guys, it's SJ, I'm back, and today we're looking, today we are unboxing the women's Air Jordan 1 Court Lux. Before I do that, I'm just going to say welcome if you're new to this channel. We do sneaker unboxings and such things, and if you haven't joined us before, come along and join us on Sunday nights for Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we talk about sneakers. And that is 8 PM here in the UK, that is 12 PM on the West Coast, and roughly 3 PM on the East Coast. But Mr. B on Sneaker Cam, you don't want to hear all of that. You want to see me pull for freshness, don't you? Let's pull for freshness. I love that. No more knife. Nice and easy. So these are the Court Lux women's Jordan 1, as I've said, and I'm super excited for these because they're a bit bonkers, to be honest. Trouble with these boxes is they're packed so tight. Oh dear, I'm making it right after this. They're hard to get out. Right, okay, let's get this out of the way. Let's get this out this way. Right, what have we got here? What have we got here? Camera 2. We have got women's Air Jordan 1 High OG NRG. Code is BV2613600, and they are Bordeaux LT Armory Blue. They're USA 8.5, European 40, UK 6. Jordan box. Nothing exciting there. Let's open these up. Oh my word. Oh my word. The dog needs to stay under the table. He can't see these. Right, okay. I'm gonna have a little moan because they're not laced. Why do Jordans never come laced? It's really frustrating.
I don't know, SJ.
Super frustrating.
Why do Jordans not come
I don't
laced?
know. I don't know.
It's not a Christmas joke?
No, it's not a Christmas joke.
I thought that was a joke.
No.
Okay.
Back to the shoe, people, because you do not want to hear Mr. B in his pathetic attempt at a Christmas joke. So these are women's Jordan 1 Court Lux. So these are a collab between American basketball player May, who Sports Illustrated have described as the greatest women female basketball player of all time, and US-based blogger, stylist, all-round cool girl, I'm going to say this wrong. I think it's said Aleali, or I've probably got that wrong, May. This is going to be a terrible unboxing, but these are pretty cool. So these are designed to sort of represent childhood colours of May that she liked. But yeah, they're a bit bonkers and a bit out there. Not to everybody's taste, I've got to say. So let's take a proper look at these. The suede is really nice. So each, I'm going to go into sneaker cam here. So each panel is a different colour suede. So you've got this really nice Bordeaux colour on the back against the blue, against the pale pink, against a really bright red, then against that really nice vivid royal blue, and I love that royal blue colour. It just really pops on these. Then you've got, let's have a look. So inside, I'm just going to take the shoe tree out. Inside, these are really nice inside. Okay. So inside, it's all like this buttery coloured soft leather, and that is nice soft leather. It's a really nice buttery colour, but it's not as soft as some of the leather that Mr. B has had on his Jordans recently. Particularly, I think it was a Rookie of the Year. Was it? Did they have a really buttery leather, Mr. B? Or am I confusing them with another sneaker?
I think you're confusing them with another.
Yeah, maybe. But either way, that's really nice inside. And then if you can see Mr. B, right on the actual inner lining, it's sort of quilted. And then you've got the signature. Can we see that? Then you've got the signature, and I'm not going to be able to say it again. Aleali May. There we go. I said it right. Aleali May. There we go. I'm hoping I said that right. Apologies if not. I'm useless with names. I really am. So I'm kind of guessing. Let's have a look. And on this one, no, it says it's got exactly the same signature on both. I was kind of expecting it to have the signature of both ladies, as this is actually a collab between the two of them. Now, I just want to point out the fur on these is faux fur. It is not real, people. It is not real. I wouldn't have bought them if it was real fur. Standard Jordan wax laces. They seem to be in pretty much every pair of Jordans we're getting at the moment when it's black laces. There is an alternate lace, which here, Mr. B, if you can see this, which is like but it's the same colour blue, the pale blue. And I really like pale blue. I used to have pale blue sweater that I wore ages. So I might swap out the black for the blue. I mean, let's be honest, they haven't laced them, so it's not gonna be a huge task, is it? Now, let's have a look at how this comes off. Ooh, ooh. So I was expecting this to be Velcro, but it's actually poppers. Look at this, Mr. B. Can we see that? So I'm just going to take the whole thing off. Actually, that's really nice. Because, you know, I was thinking Velcro with the fur could be a bit tricky and sort of ruin the fur. But that's really nice that it's done with poppers. So you've got 4 poppers that allow you to attach and detach the fur. Then underneath, if you can see that, it just says Nike Air on the tongue. Okay, I'm just going to take the other one off. I suspect it's going to be exactly the same, but as we've had a lot of surprises with sneakers recently, I'm going to take a look. No, it is exactly the same. I mean, they look nice without it. They really do. I think the interesting thing is that the Jordan wings on the side, it's not really that prominent at all. It's quite discreet, really, on the sneaker. I mean, these are pretty bonkers, but I do like these a lot. And again, just having a good look, looking for the quality. They're pretty good quality for a Jordan. I think we've said this a few times on this channel. We find that Jordans can be a little bit hit or miss with the quality, and they tend to have a peculiar smell when they arrive from factory. Now, I do have a bit of a cold. I'm not smelling that weird Jordanness, and Mr. B is nodding, is shaking his head from behind the camera, so he isn't smelling it either. What do we think of these? Camera number 2. Look at that camera 2. That is a beauty. I really like these. I really do. I mean, Mr. B called these out on the channel. God, I think it was back in August time. It was a long time ago. And I was like, yep, I would wear those. Bit bonkers. Concerned that this was real fur, because sometimes on these more, shall I say, fashion collabs, they do put real fur on things. And I don't think Nike do, but other brands do. And it really puts me off. It's a shout out to brands that no longer use fur. And I'm just going to put this back on. Also, the fact that this isn't Velcro will hopefully mean the dog can't pull it off. We have a dog that likes furry things. So guys, what do we think of these? You know, I know these went up to a size 13, I think. So whilst this was a women's drop, I know when these dropped in stores, Aleali put on her Instagram that they were for women first. So any guys that turned up, I think they were going to get made to wait till all the women bought them, which I quite like. So yeah, so I know that guys could get these as well. So what do you all think of these? Did any of you pick these up? Would you wear them if you're a guy? Would you wear them if you're a girl? You know, what do we think of these? Because they aren't to everybody's taste, but I really like these. I like these a lot, and I'm going to be wearing these a lot when it doesn't rain. These are going to have to be sprayed, I think. Definite spray. Oh, they're so nice, so nice. Thank you, Mr. B, because these were from Mr. B. Thank you very much. So I'm going to stop rambling now, but super nice pickup. I'm really pleased to add these to my very small Jordan collection. I have bought quite a few pairs of Jordans this year though. Slowly growing. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments. Cop or not, bonkers or not. You know, they are pretty bonkers, pretty out there. But yeah, let us know in the comments. And if you haven't already, and you're not bored by my rambling, hit the old subscribe button and you'll get to see other videos that we do, or hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss one of our uploads. And don't forget to come along and join us on Sundays for Sneaker Stream Sundays, which is 8 p.m. in the UK, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, and 3 p.m. on the East Coast. I am going to go and try these on. And hide them from the dog. I am. So we'll see you on the next upload. Over and out. They're nice. Can you stop filming now? Because that probably looked a bit weird.
Okay. They're lovely.
They are super nice. This might well become a favourite pair of sneakers.